Yeah, this one is the customer returned the HDMI to VGA converter, and this one have no issue at all, but the customer don't know how to use. This is how customer return it without any package, and you know, the package is missing and nothing. It's like this. It's terrible, the condition. And now I just test it out. Yeah. Yeah, okay. Yeah, this is the item. Let's try it out. Okay. Okay. Okay, this is the device, and this side connect to the VGA to the monitor. Okay, connect to the monitor, and the other side connect to the computer HDMI port. Okay, now connect the keyboard, connect the mouse. Yeah. Okay, connect the power. Okay, connect the power. Let's start. So let's start the computer now. Yeah, now start it. You see the screen, huh? Yeah, okay. The information, you can see the information is directly from the computer and go inside the computer. Go inside the monitor now, and we can use our keyboard to control the whole thing. You see, here, take it out. So you see, this is the connector. The thing have nothing wrong and works perfectly. No issue at all. But the customer don't know how to connect and don't know how to operate. That's all.